Hello friends, it's Snoopy. This is JR Shibuya Station. I'm going to explore Shibuya within a budget of 4,000 yen or less. Okay, let's go! That is the Hachiko statue. It was made famous in a film. This statue is the second statue made after the war. The first one was recycled for the war effort during World War II. The original cast remained, so the shape is said to be exactly the same as the first statue. The Hachiko statue was a well-known meeting spot, but nowadays it is surrounded by tourists for photos and no longer works as a meeting place. I was once asked to meet my friend in front of the Hachiko statue who didn't know it was a photo spot. However, it was impossible to wait here. In fact, the meeting spot is now in front of this mural. The mural is called Hachiko Family, which was installed in 1990. I didn't know its official name. Hachiko died while waiting for his master. But here he is with his family, so he wouldn't be lonely. This is the most famous intersection in Japan. This Shibuya Scramble crossing is officially called the Shibuya Ekimae crossing. Like the Hachiko statue, this place was made famous by the film. This intersection became a scramble crossing in 1973. The traffic lights at the intersection change in 120 seconds, and the traffic volume at the one green light is about 3,000 people. Shibuya Station is currently the second busiest railway station in the world after Shinjuku Station. At that time, Shibuya was only densely populated with private houses in some areas. The area around the station was surrounded by fields and had few inhabitants. It's not surprising, then, that there were few users of Shibuya Station when it first opened. Shibuya Station is undergoing a major once-in-a-century redevelopment. There are construction works underway here and there. This is making the city even more complicated. After passing under the footbridge jungle, there is a mysterious bridge. This is the Inari Bridge. Hachiko was found dead here. After his death, a funeral was held for Hachiko at Shibuya Station. He was buried in the Aoyama Cemetery, where his master was laid to rest. River. The river that used to flow under this bridge was reclaimed, and only the bridge remained. On the other side of this road runs the Shibuya River, which was supposed to have flowed under the Inari Bridge. As you can see, there are many culverts in Tokyo. Tokyo has been created through repeated reclamation and redevelopment. Shibuya gives the impression of being intricate with many pedestrian bridges. Don't you want to see this view from the high place? I do want to see it. Let's go. Now I am going to Shibuya Sky. Shibuya Sky is a popular observatory in Tokyo. It's located on the roof of Shibuya Scramble Square, a mixed-use skyscraper connected to Shibuya Station. Today, the admission ticket to observatory were sold out. You can get a same-day ticket if you are lucky. But if you really want to go to Shibuya Sky, buy your ticket online in advance. But don't worry. I've got an online ticket today. Then I take the lift to the entrance of Shibuya Sky, which is located on the 14th floor. My ears pop from the air pressure when I'm on a lift. I have weak semicircular canals. This is on the 14th floor, but the view is good enough already. Looking down from above, the construction work can be clearly seen. I was expecting a view from the lift window, but the images on the ceiling were amazing. This is Shibuya. This is a new futuristic experience. This is a view from the floor of Shibuya Scramble Square, Shibuya Sky. The Shibuya Scramble, which I saw earlier on the ground, looks so far away. Let's get to the top roof of the building. I'm getting excited. Before entering the observatory, luggage must be placed in coin-operated lockers. Since the incident here, luggage checks have become strict. There is the Tokyo Skytree over there. There are several areas with tall buildings, often where feudal lord residences were located during the Edo period. Areas for commoners' houses were difficult to acquire land for, making it difficult to carry out major developments. From here, I can see both Tokyo Skytree and the Tokyo Tower. This view can only be seen from here because you can't see Tokyo Skytree from Tokyo Skytree. As is the case in other parts of Tokyo, Shibuya also has culverts. Miyashita Park was created by reclaiming the Shibuya River. I'm going there later. It used to be a military site, but the National Stadium was built for the 1964 Tokyo Olympics. Shibuya Sky is a great place to study geography. What I found most interesting was the helipad. I have been to many places in Tokyo, but this is the first time I have stood on a building helipad. Of course, in case of a disaster, all the people here would have to leave, including me. Anyway, it's a beautiful day, and I was happy to be closer to the sun than anywhere else in Shibuya. I'm getting hungry. Let's leave here. Every restaurant in Shibuya Scramble Square is crowded. So I went to a friend's restaurant on a back street for lunch. The pasta lunch cost 1,200 yen and comes with salad, coffee, and dessert. I was terrified of cement mixer trucks as a child. My mom pointed to the cement mixer truck and told me, "Don't get inside of that or you will die." This is the Miyamasazaka intersection. During the Edo period, it flourished as the first step for travelers from Edo. As you may have noticed, Shibuya, including its station, has a very complex structure. This is probably due to the accumulation of history resulting from a lack of planned development. I'm going to go to another reclaimed place, Miyashita Park. Now I am walking under Miyashita Park. I didn't know that many izakayas were here. It's good to know this place is enjoyable not only for the locals but for foreign tourists. This is the entrance of Miyashita Park. There's a Hachiko-ish object. Let's get upstairs and let's hang on a little longer. Miyashita Park was Tokyo's first rooftop park, opened in 1966. It was an area adjacent to the former residence of the imperial family, Prince Nishinomoto. This land was also created by reclaiming the Shibuya River. It was redeveloped in 2020 due to its age and growing awareness of disaster prevention. I'm a bit tired after a long walk. I'll have a cup of coffee here. I'm leaving Miyashita Park and head towards the station now. Look, there's a place that looks interesting. There are many bars and restaurants. It would be fun to come here at night. I would love to visit one of these someday. This alley is called Nonbei Alley. Nonbei means heavy drinker in Japanese. This is today's balance. Did you like my walk in Shibuya? I'd be happy if this video helps your trip to Tokyo. Thanks for watching the video. Give me likes and subscribe to my channel. I'm taking requests. Leave your comments. See you in the next video. Bye bye. またね